Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the two essentials: Excel with Office 365 Power Automate Access and an OpenAI API key. Once done, enable Office scripts on your workbook and grant Power Automate permission to run scripts. Next, create a secure variable or secret in your tenant for the OpenAI key so flows can use it without exposing the token. Make sure you test a simple Office script that reads a sheet cell so the automation pathway is verified before building the AI call. Now you build the flow that connects Excel to the AI. Create a Power Automate flow triggered by a button or table change in Excel. Add an HTTP post action targeting the OpenAI completions or responses endpoint. In that action, include your prompt, model, temperature, and max tokens. Use the secret for the authorization header. Once you receive the JSON, parse the response and use an Office script or Excel connector actions to write the AI text back into specific cells, preserving formatting. Finish by validating and hardening the automation. Add error handling, retries for transient failures, rate limit backoff, and a log worksheet for responses and timestamps. Test thoroughly with varied prompts and sample rows to confirm token usage and output structure. If things go wrong, first check the authorization header and stored API key, then confirm your OpenAI quota and model name, and finally validate the parsed JSON schema and Office script permissions. These 3 checks resolve most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.